is your enemy when you're growing a business. You need to move as fast as you can. We're all getting older. You need to go as quickly as you can.
My strongest advice is that you have to. It's a must. If you don't go digital, you're not going to survive in this new era.
So it's a must. Looking at many of your inefficiencies or growth limitations can be resolved by going digital.
The data always tells you something that you really don't know. And I guarantee you, when you start to do your own market research, it's going to shock you that the places you think are looking for certain things are not the ones looking for them.